Do you know, adding coconut in your daily diet can keep you in good shape and condition. Yes, coconut is a very popular fruit in tropical region. Coconut is high in calories and contains a moderate level of protein and carbs. It is also packed with certain essential minerals. So today we'll tell you about the benefits of coconut you didn't know before. It improves cardiovascular health. Coconut has a neutral effect on your body's cholesterol level. The use of virgin coconut oil, which is extracted from dried coconut meat, can help you reduce your belly fat. Notably, excess belly fat is linked to an increased risk of heart diseases. Helps in weight loss. There is a substance present in coconut that can promote a feeling of fullness and prevent you from overeating. It can also help in effective calorie and fat burning. Coconut is also rich in fiber, which is important for weight loss. Offers good fat. Despite its natural healing wonders, a lot of people are still confused as to whether or not coconut oil is good for our health because of its high content of saturated fats. However, do not mistake hydrogenated coconut oil with the pure cold-pressed extra virgin coconut oil. Pure coconut oil is derived from the mature coconuts which contain harder flesh. Boosts immunity. Coconut nutrition is excellent for the immunity system. It is antifungal, antibacterial and antiparasitic. Intake of coconut oil can help the body to mount resistance to both viruses and bacteria that causes illness. Consuming coconut in its raw form can help to treat some of the worst illness like throat infections, bronchitis, urinary tract infection, tapeworms and other ailments caused by microbes. Overall health. Research has proven that people who consume coconut daily are healthier when compared to those who don't. In some countries, it is a dietary fiber that people have thrived on for many generations. Helps in fighting cancer. Coconut nutrition has also proven to have anti-cancer properties. It is especially beneficial to treat colon and breast cancer. Skin benefits of coconut. Coconut is often used in the form of oil in the cosmetic industry to improve the health and appearance of the skin and hair. It helps in fighting dryness. It is effective on dry hands. It gives you clean skin. Eating coconut hydrates the skin and makes it youthful and supple. Coconut oil can be used to remove your eye makeup. So these were some of the benefits of coconut you didn't know before. So if you use it, do let us know in the comments.